Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to day 20 of the 21-day cleaning routine challenge. Day 20 is the 5x5 cleaning method. So let me explain to you how this works. You pick 5 rooms in your house that need the most work and you spend 5 minutes cleaning each one for a total of 25 minutes. Now I find this to be really helpful because honestly, there are times when I slip from my routines and my house just falls apart. Something comes up in my week that was unexpected and I'm not able to get to all my routines that I need to do in order to keep a clean house. So this is a great cleaning hack to get things whipped back into shape super fast without having to take a lot of time. And honestly, once you start doing it, you kind of get into the groove of cleaning and you may even spend more than 25 minutes doing it, but it helps you keep moving and not get bogged down into a room. So you can use this whenever you have a big mess in your house and you're just not sure where to start. Pick those 5 rooms, set your timer for 5 minutes each, and start blowing through those rooms and getting them cleaned back up. Please don't feel bad if you can't stick with all the routines that we've put into place and your house becomes a mess again. It happens to me sometimes when things come up that were unexpected or my week is just crazy busy and I cannot get to everything that I want to get to. That's why this hack is handy, so that you know you can just set a timer and in 25 minutes you can have your house cleaned back up pretty well, and it gets you back into the rhythm of cleaning. And hopefully the next day you could start with your routines again and get things back on track. Just know you're not alone. We're working towards progress and we can't always be perfect on things, and that's okay. Just do the best that you can and know that I'm here cheering you on still and will be even when this challenge is over. Feel free to come back and watch these videos if you slip up or if something comes up and you're not able to do everything. And feel free when you come back to leave a comment so I can chat with you and see how things are going. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of this cleaning method before and if you've ever used it, or if this is a new idea to you. I'm excited to hear what you all think of it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you. I'll see y'all back here for day 21, our final day of this challenge. Have a great day. Bye.